Hey guys, can we search a cell phone on threat of getting a search warrant? All right, my name is Anthony Bandiero. I'm an attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing another Roadside Chat, this time from Bel Air, Maryland. We've been here for 4 days teaching K-9 case law, advanced search and seizure, traffic stops, advanced criminal investigations, and so forth. All right, so this question comes from an officer in Nebraska. Can you tell us about a situation where we obtain consent to search for a cell phone? And, I'm concerned about the following issue. When I'm denied consent to search a suspect's cell phone and I have PC to seize it and to apply for a search warrant, I tell them, hey, I'm going to apply for a search warrant. And if I get the search warrant, that's fine. We'll go from there. Then the person says, oh, well, how long are you going to have my cell phone? Look, I don't know, right? I mean, the judge signs it, if he approves it, and by the time we get it to forensics and so forth, maybe it takes a couple weeks. Then they say, well, I don't want that to happen. You can search my cell phone. Is that coercive? And the answer is no. So what's going on here is that you are allowed to tell people the truth, right? If the truth is that you have probable cause, you better have probable cause. Don't be making that up, right? And you also tell them that you will apply for a search warrant. If I get a search warrant, this is what happened. Also, don't exaggerate the time that the phone will be, it'll take to analyze the phone. If your agency takes a couple weeks to analyze these phones, say a couple weeks. Don't say a couple months, right? Because then you're basically forcing the person to maybe say yes. But the reality is this, right? Courts are never going to tell you, oh, you can't tell that to the person because that's coercive, because what they're telling you is then you have to lie to the person. You can't tell them the truth. I mean, what if you were in that situation, right? What if you were like, a cop thought you had evidence on your phone, you didn't have evidence on your phone, but you also like your rights. You're like, you can't search my phone, officer. And the officer says, look, and the cop really believed he had probable cause for the phone and tells you the truth. Hey, I'm going to apply for a search warrant. If I get a search warrant, it could take a couple weeks. Maybe you would be like, okay, fine. You can search my cell phone. Information is power, right? So why not empower people with the truth? We don't have to play games here and keep stuff to ourselves if we don't want to. But the key here is don't be like, threatening them. Oh, you want to play that game? Oh, you don't want to give me consent to search? Okay, two can play a game, right? How about I'm just going to take your phone and you'll be out of a phone for a couple months, right? Don't say it like that. That's not going to go over well with your courts. But you are, at the end of the day, you are allowed to tell the people the truth and give them options. And then we go from there. All right, guys, keep the questions coming. Hope this helped. If you like it, hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. It all helps me and shows me that I'm doing a good job for you guys. All right? All right.